After the invention of the first measurement devices like, say, galvanoscopes, there arose a need to create control samples of electric values, ohms, volts, amperes. This required galvanic cells with a voltage of exactly 1 volt or a resistor with a resistance of exactly 1 ohm or 10 ohm. B.S. Yakobi's Rheochord was one of the first devices of this kind. It was nothing more but a simple drum with sized wire wound onto it. By rotating the drum, one could include any part of resistance into a circuit, with such resistance to be calculated according to a scale. After performing measurements for a couple of times, Yakobi decided to introduce some minor improvements to its Rheochord. He noticed that the resistance of the contact between the rolling wheel and the wire is not constant and decided to supply his Rheochord with mercury contacts. Later on, scientists constructed a mercury Rheochord, where resistance is supplied by mercury. In 1848, Yakobi created the first standard resistance control sample that was well received by a number of laboratories in Russia and Europe. The sample was designed in such a way that it can equally compare to any of today's samples. Yakobi's resistance unit was made as a coil of 25-foot-long copper wire with a weight of 22.5 grams and diameter of 0.67 millimeters. The coil was inserted into a special box filled with aquaseal. Control samples of this unit were manufactured on a large scale. So Yakobi's Rheochord can truly be considered the first regulated resistance control sample.